Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I know this quarantine has not been easy, so I've been trying to upload as much content as I can for you guys. It's not really easy because even me wanting to buy parts, not a lot of places are shipping because everything is coming from overseas, and a lot of people are taking precautions to not be able to ship just because it's complicating things for them over there too, and they can't get stuff from their manufacturers and all that. But if you guys remember from the last video, I did say I was gonna install the side skirts today, and that's what we're gonna do. Before I get started, I really do hope you guys are staying safe because this stay-at-home order has been extended all the way till April 30th. It was only extended till April 1st. Now they're extending it to April 30th. And I also heard there are some states that have already been put into effect into extending it till May 30th. That is a long time, guys. If you guys don't stay at home, I don't know what's gonna happen, to be honest. Like, there's still so many people who are disregarding this, and even if this is a whole government tactic, like, just listen to them because they have total control over all of us, so you might as well listen. It's not gonna do you any harm just to stay home. This is a tough time for all of us, so I say just listen to them. Try not to go out unless you really have to. I know that the order is very contradicting. It tells you to stay inside and only go out for essentials and all that stuff, but oh my god, I don't have corona, I promise. It's allowing people to go out and go to the parks and have family gatherings of 6 people or less, and you just gotta stay 6 feet away from other people. So it's like, why are you telling people to stay inside when you're allowing them to go out? It makes no sense. But anyways, let's go ahead and start with these side skirts. I'm gonna let you guys take a quick look at them. I'm gonna bring them out into the sun so you can see how great of a paint job Ian's guy did. Shout out to you, Ian. Thank you for getting them painted for me on such short notice. I didn't really want to bother my mechanic. Ian said his paint guy was good, so I went ahead and tried him out, and dude, he got this thing looking lit. So this is my OEM one. These aren't scratches, it's just very, very dirty. And then we have the Black Pearl. It's got a little vent over there. This groove goes all the way over here to this other vent. And yeah, it's pretty aggressive. The only downside is, if you guys can see, the Black Pearl doesn't have anything under, whereas the OEM one has like all of this. There's no way to transfer that over to here because that's part of the OEM side skirt. Let's say if I wanted to put a Cybon carbon fiber splitter lip underneath the side skirt, I'm probably gonna have to use the back, the front, and then for the middle make like a custom bracket or something. Yeah, what do you guys think? Look at how good his paint guy did. This thing is amazing. He did my paint code and everything. It's just a little dusty because I did leave it in the garage overnight. But, ooh, Black Pearl. Even got my paint code over here, which is 212 if you guys didn't know, Obsidian Black. But yeah, last night I went ahead and took off one of the side skirts just to test fit it, and look at how ugly the car looks without it. If you look from up top, it looks normal, but that is disgusting. I'm so glad I finally have these authentic JDM side skirts. No more running replica parts. I don't think I have a single replica part on my car, but it doesn't matter if it's rep or real because you can make anything look good. Don't get into that car guy ego where you need to have the most real authentic parts. The only reason why I went with all these real authentic parts is because there's no place that makes all of these parts that I have replica, or else I would probably go ahead and get that if it was a lot cheaper. But don't think having real parts is gonna make you feel any better. I honestly feel the same. Having real parts, having rep wheels, having all that stuff, I literally feel the same. I just spend a little bit more money on my car and it shows. Alright guys, to take off the OEM side skirts, it's really simple. All you're gonna need is one of these adjustable wrenches or a 10 mil socket and a Phillip head screwdriver. So what I like to do first is take off this 10 mil right here. It's super easy. Once you get it loose, it just comes off. You can take it off with your fingers. Next up, I also like to do the front, which is the same thing. You can open up the doors. I don't know if you guys can see, there's this little cap right here. Use a flathead, comes right off, and all you have to do is just remove that. Super simple. My bad guys, I forgot. There's like these little plastic clips under the side skirt that you have to pry off. Luckily, Ian let me borrow his pry tool. It just looks like a bent flathead, but this will help us get all the little pieces. There's about 6 or 7, I believe, underneath the car, and I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. You're gonna wanna stick your pry bar into there and pull them out. It doesn't really matter if we break them or not because I'm not reusing these anyways. side skirts are being held in by these clips, and they are off. Fair warning, when you take off your side skirts, it will have leaves and a bunch of other shit in it. But yeah guys, since the Black Pearl side skirt is a direct replacement, my OEM ones will be up for sale. So if any of you guys do want to cop my OEM side skirts, hit my DMs. It's gonna be on Facebook Marketplace, offer up all that good stuff, so let me know if you do want them. All right, let's go ahead and install one. Install is fairly simple. It's pretty much what I did, but reverse. If you guys didn't already know, working on your car is literally taking it apart just to put it back together. Alright guys, this is just the test fit. What do you think? It's not that bad, right? It flows more with the front bumper. I still don't know how I feel about it just yet, but it'll grow onto me for sure. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna tighten everything down, knock out the other side, and pull out the car a little bit more and put it into the sun so you guys can see. It's honestly growing onto me a lot more. I didn't really like them at first because I originally wanted Nguyen. Nguyen is another super well-known JDM company, and I wanted their side skirts because I wanted my kit to be from 3 different JDM brands. It's still pretty subtle, but definitely better than just OEM. Fitment is pretty good. I give it like a 9 out of 10. The only reason why is because this part sticks out just a tiny bit more, but that's perfectly fine. Maybe if I ever get Sibon fenders, then that'll stick out a little bit more too. We'll see. It's honestly starting to grow onto me a lot more. The reason why I didn't like it at first is because I thought it'd be a lot lower, but it's all good. Like I said, I can always throw something under it or just bag my car so I can finally be low. We just need to get some rollers, do a little photo shoot. So I might pick this video back up when I do that. It might be tomorrow, to be honest. Maybe we can go shoot somewhere and make sure it gets done real quick and then head back home, because I'm telling you guys, the more we stay at home, the sooner the numbers will go down and the sooner we can definitely get all of this stay at home stuff lifted. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys think that I should have kept my other side skirt extensions, put it down below. The only reason why I bought these is because a good buddy of mine, Alex, I'll leave his Instagram right here. Oh! He got these side skirts and he only ran them for like 3 months. I didn't know that he was gonna sell them so soon. I knew that he did want to switch it up eventually. He just put them up on Instagram saying like, yeah, the side skirts are gonna come off. They're gonna be for sale. Let me know if you guys want them. I DM'd him so fast. I was like, yo, let me know what price you want. And dude hooked it up. If you're buying it retail from Japan, it's about $750 for the side skirts and then another $700 for shipping. So you're basically looking at like $1450. So huge shout out to you, Alex. Thank you again. That's gonna be it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow when we shoot some rollers and get some pictures for you guys, so stay tuned for that. What up guys, it is the next day. I hope you're all staying safe. I don't know if you guys know this, but masks are now mandatory. I'm over here with Josh. He's shooting some cinematics for his car. He just installed a couple parts. I hope you guys checked out his video because it's pretty dope. We're out here in the rain, probably gonna get a few shots of my car. I just think rain shots are dope. We never really go out and get them. Social distancing. But guys, damn, look at those side skirts. They really pop. They've been growing onto me a lot, so I'm starting to really like them. Really nice to finally be out of the house. We actually almost got kicked out, but the guy was really nice and let us come over here just to shoot photos because, you know, we asked him politely. And we're not gonna be doing donuts or anything anyways. But what do you guys think? I'm really starting to dig that little vent over there. Let me know down in the comments below, guys. But anyways, if you guys want to see the photos of the car, check it out on my Instagram. I think that's pretty much gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoy these rollers and cinematic shots that we got. I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to stay safe. I'll definitely make a few more videos. You know, you get kind of bored during this quarantine. I wanna have content for you guys, but I also wanna have stuff to be able to do as well. I don't wanna just pump out videos with no quality. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to the channel, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.